Ever wondered how microwaves work? They emit energy waves that vibrate water molecules in food. Those vibrations are what generates heat. And voila, your dinner is hot. But no, they don't make food radioactive, so you can safely heat that leftover pizza without any superpowers.
Good day, bread lovers. Let's go back to basics. First, mix 4 cups of flour with a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and a packet of yeast. Stir in warm water until dough forms. Knead for 10 minutes, then let it rise for an hour. Bake for 30 minutes. Voila! Fresh homemade bread. Simple, yet delicious.
Ever wonder why the sea level looks different at various times of the day when you are at the beach? This is due to the gravitational forces between Earth, Moon, and the Sun. When they align, we get the highest tides, called spring tides. But when they form a right angle, we get the lowest tides, known as neap tides. So next time you're at the beach, remember, you're witnessing the effects of the alignment of the Moon, Sun, and Earth.
Ever wondered how dogs became man's best friend? Cue the Ice Age. Wolves, ancestors to our cuddly canines, began to scavenge near human campsites. The friendliest ones got the most leftovers, so they stuck around. Over thousands of years, these wolves evolved into a more docile species. And voila, dogs were domesticated.
What goes on when we sleep? As you drift off, your brain cycles through different stages of sleep and moments awake. The main stages are light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Your body restores itself in deep sleep, while REM sleep is when you dream. Intriguing, right? This nightly journey is vital for your health. So make sure you're catching enough cycles, sleep tight, and dream big.
Ever pondered the creation of the Moon? Imagine 4.5 billion years ago, a planet-sized object collided with Earth. This colossal impact ejected debris into space. Over time, gravity pulled this debris together, forming our Moon. A celestial ballet of chaos and beauty, don't you think?
Imagine a giant global town hall. That's the United Nations. 200 countries, each with a seat at the table. They talk, negotiate, and sometimes argue. It's all about peace, human rights, and development. The UN striving to make the world a better place, one resolution at a time. It's not perfect, but it's what we've got.
Catch this. Birds fly not just by flapping their wings, but by mastering the art of aerodynamics. Their wings create lift, the upward force that defies gravity. As they flap, air flows faster over the top of the wing, creating low pressure and slower underneath, causing high pressure. It's this pressure difference that lifts our feathered friends into the sky. So next time you see a bird soaring, remember it's a science spectacle.
Ever wondered what happens when you drink water? Well, it's quite the journey. First, it quenches your thirst, then it travels down your esophagus. Once in your stomach, it's absorbed into your bloodstream, hydrating cells and organs. It also helps flush toxins from your body.
How are tornadoes formed? First comes a thunderstorm, then warm, moist air meets cool, dry air. This clash creates a rotating upward spiral of air. As the spiral tightens and speeds up, a tornado is born. It's like a giant, destructive whirlpool in the sky.